Function 1, Intelligent Arm 360 degrees rotary spraying of various cleaning fluids. Leisuwash 380 Plus liquid mixing integrated system, equipped with a variety of liquid packages, combined with the 360 degrees rotating intelligent arm can wrap the cleaning liquid like fog evenly, without corner with a very low dosage, only 20 to 50 milliliters per car, to achieve deep decontamination. It's one tube for multiple purposes. Integrated design can not only spray different cleaning fluids, but also switch to spray high-pressure water, fully reflecting the integration of intelligence and efficiency. In addition, 304 stainless steel is made of strong corrosion resistance, and it is not afraid of harsh environments such as high humidity, high temperature, and chemical corrosion, effectively extending the service life of the equipment and reducing maintenance costs. Function 2, Intelligent Arm 360 degrees high-pressure precise flushing. Leisuwash 380 Plus ultrasonic fusion detection technology, combined with the car servo motion control system, can accurately measure the width and length of the vehicle, and always maintain the optimal washing distance of 35 centimeters, to achieve better cleaning results, safe and efficient unparalleled. The unique upper and lower odor design is perfectly staggered, and the two streams of water on the top and sides intersect with each other. AI 3-axis motion control technology plus non-resistant slide rail suspension design can effectively improve the running speed of the equipment, making the smart arm more light, stable and dexterous during operation, and it only takes 28 seconds to flush a week, saving the consumption of water, electricity and liquid, and greatly reducing operating costs. Function 3, Top high-pressure flushing. The 45-degree high-pressure flushing on both sides of the top. A single high-pressure flushing only takes 15 seconds, the design further strengthens the cleaning efficiency, and forms a three-dimensional complementarity with the previous step of surround flushing, ensuring the cleaning power at the same time, can effectively reduce water consumption, so as to achieve the purpose of energy conservation and consumption reduction. Function 4. 3-Color Magic Shampoo. The colorful 3-color foam system of Leisuwash 380 Plus can cover 3 different colors of foam on the surface of the car body, improve the decontamination efficiency, reduce the repetitive scrubbing action, and synchronously complete the gloss protection effect in the process of cleaning, making the paint surface moister and shinier. The form of 3 different colors intersects each other to form a rainbow-like curved arc, which is also a visual feast during the car wash. Function 5, Highlight and Overglow System. With the National Invention Patent, the high brightness and color system will help you successfully grow your car wash business. Under the light of colorful LED lights, this innovative system can pour out silk-smooth fluid color attached to the body surface, a unique and interesting customer experience. Your customers will love the shiny car, and you can also enjoy the increase in revenue. Function 6, Water Wax Maintenance. Leisuwash 380 Plus can better cover the entire vehicle evenly through the intelligent liquid mixing system and 360-degree rotary atomization spraying. The wax layer quickly condenses into beads, enhancing hydrophobicity and greatly shortening the air drying time, thereby improving the overall car wash efficiency of customers. Function 7, Top RO Reverse Osmosis Water. Through the professional P-shaped nozzle, water wax will form a layer of polymer on the surface of the car paint after being fused by RO reverse osmosis water, reducing water stains residue, and at the same time, build a hard protective transparent coating, giving the vehicle excellent waterproof, acid rain, pollution and UV protection capabilities, and comprehensively protect the body paint. Function 8, Embedded Inverter Silent Air Drying System. Leisuwash 380 Plus is equipped with 4 to 6 sets of 5.5 kW Siemens air drying motors, combined with embedded frequency conversion silent air drying technology. While achieving fast air drying, energy consumption is reduced by 35%, high efficiency and low energy consumption characteristics, but also broaden the applicable scenarios of the equipment, especially suitable for noise-sensitive commercial blocks and community environments. Function 9. High-pressure flushing of chassis and wheel hubs. For the chassis and wheel hub parts of the vehicle that are most prone to dirt accumulation, Leisuwash 380 Plus is equipped with chassis and sector-shaped wheel hub flushing functions. 100 kg high-pressure washing can penetrate deeper into gaps and effectively remove sediment attached to the chassis, sides of the body and wheel hubs. Ensure your vehicle is truly clean from bottom to top.